Can. No, you first. Come here with me.
Oh shit, I'm like here.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. This is a hammer.
Hammer.
What's a hammer?
I can't, I can't pick
Oh,
it
it's your
up.
pickaxe.
Okay. It's a
Pick it up.
pickaxe. I thought it's a
Can you pick
hammer.
it up?
Yes, I pick it
Can
up.
you pick it up?
You
Don't come
can.
near us. No.
Oh, that's good.
It's a fuck.
You can
Oh my
interact with them.
god.
Wait, Is my lighting full? Oh, we need to find something.
Man.
Okay,
Oh,
okay,
get it,
okay,
get
okay,
it, get it,
okay.
get it, get it, get it. Oh wait, I have to.
Oh,
Oh shit.
heck. No, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Get me out, get me out, get me out. I got jump scared. The corner of my screen got jumped me. Really? Ladies first. Ladies first. I did. I entered first.
Okay, okay, wait, no, I can't. Really?
Our hammer's gone.
Of course it's gone. Let's we get out. Can we interact? Okay.
We have to go
I'm scared
upstairs.
to go upstairs.
We have to.
I'm looking this way.
We can interact this. Man!
Give me this. Clock hand. Oh, I know. Okay. I don't know, John. I am talking. I'm so okay.
I can't. Is it?
Oh, wait. Zara's here. Wait.
Hello,
Where's
Zar.
Zara's call? Wait, Zara. Oh, do we
We're
really
mi-
have to go
yeah,
now?
we're missing one.
Oh, great. Do we have to pick up another one? Yeah, I think so.
How do you?
I swear, we'll get jump scared right now. Three,
Yeah.
two, left. Nothing. Oh. Press it, press it.
You press it. It's your. We're we're playing hard. We're playing a. No, it's you. You actually need to press it because I can't click it.
Oh, shit.
God damn it. That's good. My heart.
Fucking shit! Holy motherfucking shit! Holy motherfucking shit! Fuck, bitch, fuck!
That's. I literally turned my whole screen because of it. That scared me.
Zahir, can we just restart this and go with Zahir?
If I want to,
Zahir!
he's
He left!
he mute
Motherfucker! He left.
on. Yeah, no.
I'm looking down right now. You go the other way, I'll go this way.
Yeah, go. Also, I'm recording. I don't know if it's actually. Yeah,
And
yeah.
drop off office, hospital, entrance emergency. How should we go this way?
No, there's nothing.
Men first.
Men
Men
first.
first. I'm gonna lower my volume for a bit.
You go first.
Oh
Your
shit.
balloon scared me. Ah.
I'm gonna see what's here. Oh, it's a red light. Let's see what's in.
Oh, we
Yeah,
can
go
jump.
there.
I just realized we can jump.
Oh, we can? Yay. Good thing. Can I interact? No, I can't. It's locked. Or can't interact. Yeah, I'm going to the red light.
Oh wait. I was trying to put.
Well,
Wait, let me put my stupid extra clock hand in my inventory.
yeah, same here. Wait. Wait. Let me me put my clock hand.
Chains, why is the door locked up? Maybe I'll find a tool to break it.
What? There's a dialogue?
Yeah, there's a dialogue. I just read it.
Oh. I need something to break it. Interesting.
I found another
Why am
door.
I kinda,
Come on.
why am I kinda lagging?
I'm lagging as well. Don't worry.
We're gonna die. Why did I go first? Oh well, whatever.
There's multiple. Oh, I hate that. No, the design just made me sick.
Oh, I see. Why? Is that the cupboard?
I need an employee's ID card to unlock this door.
This one?
The
Really?
yeah, that one. We need that. You open.
That's creepy. Oh, creepy.
Where?
This is why I should never go to haunted places. Just don't go out to haunted places at all. What do we have to do here? Nothing.
Yes, face mask. Oh god,
It's not.
the
Ah,
screen
yes.
scared
Wait,
me.
what?
My screen
Oh,
scared me. Is this supposed to be a
my.
dentist office? No, this is supposed to be.
I'm opening this way. It this way.
I was supposed to open it.
Oh, the door is locked. Maybe I can find something to unlock it.
How many things we have to?
You get that? Ooh, ooh. Red apple. Hey apple. Wanna see what I can do? Get jump scared. Oh wait, what's this? Oh,
You know,
lagging.
I'm lagging as well.
What's this? Oh, it's nothing. They're going to open this
Yes,
this way.
that's the last door. You go first.
In?
You go first. I went in first.
Right? Oh, it's so cute. Self-care isn't selfish. Yes, it is. Joke lang. No.
Where
Go
is
to
it?
random. I don't know. Did we miss something or what?
Did we not check
Oh.
it outside?
Hmm.
Oh wait, there's an interact here.
You do it. Ah, okay,
Oh,
good. Oh shit.
I,
Oh.
I do feel like a jump scare is gonna happen.
You're the jump scare of my. You're the jump scare of mine. What the fuck? Oh.
Boys
Is this
bathroom.
supposed to be? Is this supposed to be like a Coraline thing or what?
I don't even
Oh, it's a
know.
men's bathroom. You go in because it's a men's bathroom. I go to the women.
And you're the one who gets jump scared.
Yeah, probably. Maybe the ghost is a girl.
It is a girl. Fucking god, your dog. Oh wait, you can.
No. No. Did you open the bathroom with the
Yes,
other one?
I already opened the other one.
Okay, there's nothing here. Trash.
Hell nah. When go to the middle, go to the middle toilet. There's something. Look at the walls. There's a wooden plank. You do middle stall,
I can't say. That's kind of what? Oh.
and you interact it.
Oh
Interact.
my gosh. Okay, fine.
You
I'll
interact it.
interact this.
I'm recording it.
I'm closing my eyes.
Oh wait, there's a
Oh.
code. 675. Ren, Ren. 675. Did you get jump scared? The door shut on me behind me, and I need to play. Uh, I found it. Found the item.
Code.
No,
Oh. Oh, what's this?
it's
Oh.
the thing that we need to break the chains. I'm glitching. I can't grab it. Wait, how do I grab this?
one is scary.
I didn't see it. We can go back now. We can go back.
Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. I'm sure I'm gonna get jump scared in a minute.
I swear I hate this part. Why is the door like this?
You know what I most likely hate? Small spaces and the freaking heavy breathing.
Oh my god, your balloon.
I'm looking down so I would be less laggy. I should not play this on my freaking
Oh
board.
my gosh.
That's
I'm
why.
I'm lagging as well. What?
Hmm.
Oh, lockpick. Wait. Was it
Oh,
this? No,
unless it's the other. Oh, it's the other door. Probably.
probably. Oh wait. Yes, the one that. I hate when this happens.
Yeah. Not yours. You take the L, please.
Oh hell nah. Come
You
in.
take the
Come
win.
in. No, come in.
You take the win.
Ah,
Come with me
later,
here.
later. Oh, oh, it's a safe.
6, 7. Right?
6, 7, 5.
Yeah. Yeah, I did.
It is.
Give me the ID card. Yes,
Okay,
the ID card. Yes, we can go. We can go to this part. Ow, my head.
that scared the
My
heck.
poor head. Bitch. Can we not
We
jump?
have to loop. We have to go to the other side. That scared the heck out of me.
My, it could have died there. My freaking Roblox head. Why is it me?
No, it's both of us. It's both of us actually. Oh, that scared the heck out of me.
Nah, this is why I shouldn't ever go to.
This
Yeah,
one.
you go.
I
You
don't.
go first.
I don't have the employee ID. You have it.
Why? You go in. You interact. Go, go, go.
Oh,
I am
okay.
not.
No, you. We need another. We have the. We need to grab that. You still have to activate this one.
Right. Why didn't you get the ID, by the way?
You were in the way.
I'm so sorry. Okay, you go in because I'll interact. Okay.
Oh, my heart. This.
Wait. My fence key. I need to put my fence key on the.
We can end it right now because my lag frames are really bad, and I have to cook rice as well.